Content Repository Dashboard. The Content Repository Dashboard provides an overview of all the narratives generated within the current month, as well as in previous months. It offers a convenient way to track and monitor the volume of content generated over time. Feed URL or endpoint. Each newly created content repository is automatically assigned a corresponding feed URL or API endpoint. This endpoint serves the content in either XML or JSON format, making it effortless to integrate with another CMS or application. This integration capability facilitates seamless communication and data exchange between the content repository and external systems. How to integrate the endpoint feed. Every content narrative is assigned a unique ID that serves as its identifier within the system. Each narrative contains additional metadata too, such as the date it was generated and information about the author or creator. These metadata elements provide valuable contextual information about the narrative and enables easier organization, tracking, and reference within the content repository. It's important to remember that the content narratives generated will only remain accessible in the feed for 24 hours from the time of publishing. After that period, they will no longer be regularly accessible. If you need to access content narratives that are no longer present in the endpoint, you can utilize one of the following URL parameters. Use the URL here to retrieve the latest 100 posts regardless of their publishing time. Use this URL to retrieve posts published after a specific date. Use the URL here to retrieve posts published within the last 60 minutes. And you can use this URL to retrieve posts published between two specific dates. It's important to remember that these methods are intended for development mode only and should not be used in production.